everybody, we're here at A Box of Goodness, sponsored by swbdelivers.org. Visit our website. I'm going to give you a preview of what we're doing today. So today we are doing free holiday shopping for all low-income families, homeless, and at risk of homelessness. So I'm going to give you a preview of what to expect, which starts tomorrow, Friday, and also Saturday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. So please come on down and join all of the fun. So I'm going to take you in so you can see what we're planning.
Go.
So I want to thank all of the volunteers, which is quite a bit, almost up to 20 volunteers that's helping us put on this event. It's taken us about a week to get the location, which is Brooklyn Arms Apartments. It's actually our development project that we are developing housing here, and it will be a total of 32 units. So you're at our site here, and we're also hosting our event here. I have this beautiful space, so I might as well use it. So we're starting here at registration. So those that are signing up, they can sign up online. They can go to swbdelivers.org and sign up. There's still time to sign up for Friday and Saturday. Come and register, and then I'm going to go in here. Here we have all of our registration in here. And what we're doing is when people come in and donate, you can get your donation receipt. And then we're kind of putting all of the donations here, and then we move it onto the floor because we have 2 days of serving families. So some of the really great products we have, I'm going to show you those things, is awesome. Again, I can't believe the support that I have. Thank you to everyone for supporting families in need. Okay, let's start again with our heroes, our volunteers. I couldn't do this without our volunteers. We have so many more volunteers, but we want to make sure that we highlight our volunteers. So let's go into the space where we're going to be having the event. So if you'll see over here to my right, we have clothing. We have men and women's clothing, gently used, and a lot of new clothing. Literally, if you see here, we have a lot of stuff that has the tag on it, right? So that's that. Then moving into a larger space here, over here is the open floor. So we have household, we have furniture. Come on in and take a look at this. We have women clothing, bags, shoes, we have variety. Let's take a walk over here and you can kind of see how we have things setting up. Now, mind you, people are still coming in and bringing donations, so we're still accepting donations and we'll just put it out here on the floor. We also will have a food court. So I have to thank Tish Charles, who is an awesome cook, and she's also a realtor. She's a part of our team. She is going to be cooking tomorrow, and it's going to be fab. So I can't even wait. We have some household items here, and I'm going to walk you over to our toy section. We also have some toys over here for the children. We're still setting up. So again, if you have some donations, bring them on in. We're going to be here at 8 o'clock tomorrow. And we're going to be here at 8 o'clock on Saturday, and it's from 10 to 4 that people can come in and shop for free. So here's our toy section, and here's where we're going to have the toys. And then lastly, we have our grocery spot. I'm going to take you over there. So bring in some toys. Lastly, we have our grocery spot. So we also have food that we're going to be giving out. In addition to hot food, we also have some vegetables, fruits, breads, canned goods, cereal, a bunch of stuff. So this is our grocery spot here. And here's a snapshot of our grocery spot. And again, we're still kind of, getting things set up today. Today is the last day that we are officially accepting donations, but bring your donations in. We'll be here all day on Friday and Saturday. So that is our project here, a snapshot of A Box of Goodness. This is our 3rd year putting on this event, not here at our site, but this is our 3rd time doing this event. And so we're just really happy that we can provide these services to people in need in addition to our residents. So hope to see you at the event.